Instagram's active status shows when you're online to people you have followed or have messaged. It appears as a green dot or active now, and if you turn it off, others can't see when you are online and you won't see their status either. So, in order to turn off active status on your mobile phone, go ahead, open your Instagram application, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon or the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now from the settings and privacy page, scroll down and tap on messages and stories reply that you will find in the section of how others can interact with you. Once you're in this page, go ahead and tap on show activity status that is under the section of who can see you're online. Now simply go ahead and turn off the show activity status. Now simply go ahead and turn this toggle off, show activity status, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.